Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your mathematics class. Today, we will revise subtraction of 4-digit numbers. But very first, we will see the solution of previous class homeworks. Okay? So, let us see. In previous class, I had given you to solve some addition. I hope you all have done your homework. So, now let's match your answers with this solution. Okay, so we will start from once. Now we have to add 2437 in 5130. So we will start subtracting, adding from ones. Okay, so 7 plus 0, 7, 3 and 3, 6, 4, 1, 5 and 2, 5, 7. Okay, so we get 7567. Number second, we will start adding from 1. So 1, 8, 9, 1 plus 8, 9, 7 plus 1, 8, 5 plus 0, 5 and 3 plus 4, 7. So answer is 7589. Number third, here again we will start from ones. So 9, 3, 12, 12, we will write only 2 and 1 carry at tens place. So we will write 2 here and 1 carry at tens place. And now we will add tens place numbers. So 1, 8, 9 and 9, 4, 13. In 13, we will write 3 at tens place and 1 carry on 100. And now we will add 100 place numbers. So 1, 6, 7 and 7, 6, 13. In 13, again we will write 3 and 1 carry on 1000 place. So 1, 7, 8 and 8, 5, 13. Okay. So we get 13,332 as a addition, as sum of these two numbers. Okay, and in fourth, 9, 3, 12, 2, 1 carry at tens place, 1, 7, 8, 18, 16 and 6 and 1 carry on 100 place. So 1, 5, 6 and 6, 4, 10. At 10, we will write only 0 and 1 carry at 1000 place, and 1000 place numbers 1, 2, 3, 3 and 6, 9. Look at last question. Here we will add firstly ones place number. So 8, 7, 15. In 15 we will write 5 and 1 carry at tens place. Now we will add tens place numbers. So 1, 9, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. In 16 we will write only 6 and 1 carry at 100. 1 carry on 100. So here 1 and 2, 3, 3, 4, 7 and 1 plus 3, 4. So we get 4765 as the sum of these two numbers. Okay. So now I am going to start our today's class. Today we will revise subtraction. So let us see. Today we will revise subtraction. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers. So very first we will revise subtraction of 4-digit number without borrowing. Without borrowing. Okay. So it is very easy. Let's see. For subtraction, firstly we will write digits one below another and start subtracting from ones. Okay. So let us start. Now here at ones place we have to subtract 2 ones from 3 ones. So 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. At tens place, 5 minus 1, 4. At hundred place, 6 minus 3, 3. And at thousand place, 8 minus 6, 2. So we get 2341. After subtracting 8653 minus 6312, we get 2341. And in subtraction, this number is known as minuend, and this subtrahend and answer is known as difference. Okay, let's see example number 2. In example number 2, we have to subtract 2345 minus 5467. So firstly, we will write numbers one below another and start subtracting from ones. Okay, so start 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. At tens place, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. And at hundred place, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. And at thousand place, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So we get 3122. This is the difference between 5467 and 2345. Okay, now we will see subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing. Okay, so let's see. Number first, subtract 3285 from 5657. मीन हमें 3285 को 5657 में से माइनस करना है. So firstly, we will arrange the number. We will write numbers one below another, ones below ones, tens below tens, and hundred below hundred, and thousand below thousand. And we will start subtracting from ones. Okay, so let us start. At ones place, we have to subtract 5 ones from 7 ones. So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Now come on, at tens place. At tens place, we have to subtract 8 tens from 5 tens. So we know it is not possible to subtract 8 tens from 5 tens. So what we will do? So borrow 100 from the 100 columns. We will borrow 100 from the 100 columns, and we know 100 is equal to 10 tens. 100 is equal to 10 tens. 100 is equal to 10 tens. So 100 will transfer 100 to 10 tens. And now here 10 tens, 100 is equal to 10 tens and 5 tens already. So here will be 10 tens plus 5 tens. 10 tens plus 5 tens is equal to 15 tens. So here will be 15 tens, and now we can subtract 8 tens from 15 tens. So 15 tens minus 8 tens is equal to 7 tens. Okay, and at 100 place we left only 500. Why? Because 100 has given 100 to tens. Okay, and at 100 place we have to subtract 200 from 500. So we get 3. Okay, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And at 1000 place, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So we get 2372. this is the difference between 5657 and 3285. Okay, let's see another example. Example number 2, we have to subtract 6874 from 9543. So firstly we will write it one below another, and now start subtracting from ones. Okay, so at ones place we have to subtract 4 ones from 3 ones. So this is possible? No, this is not possible. So what we will do? We will borrow 1 tens from tens column. Okay, so we will borrow 1 tens from tens column, and we know 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. So after borrowing, here will be 13 ones. Okay, and now we can subtract it. 13 minus 4, so 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. Okay, and here will left only 3 tens. Yes, and now we have to subtract 7 tens from 3 tens. So it is also not possible. Subtract 7 tens from 3 tens. So again tens will borrow from 100. It will borrow 100 from 100 column. So as we know, 100 is equal to 10 tens. 100 is equal to 10 tens. Then here will be 10 plus 3 is equal to 13 tens. 13 tens. So here will be 13 tens. So now we can subtract it. 7 tens from 13 tens. So 13 minus 7 is equal to 6 tens. And at 100 place we left only 4. And now we have to subtract 800 from 400. So it is not possible. Then it will borrow 1000 from 1000 column. 1000 from 1000 column. So 1000 is equal to 10 hundredths. 1000 is equal to 10 hundredths. So here is already 400. So 10 hundred plus 400 is equal to 1400. Okay, so here will be 1400. Now we can subtract it. 800 from 14. So 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Okay, and at 1000 place we left only 8. After transferring 1200, here we left only 8000. So now we have to subtract 6000 from 8000. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So we get 2669 as a difference. This is the difference between these two numbers, 6874 and 9543. And in this also subtraction with borrowing, this number is minuend, this is subtrahend, and answer is difference. Okay, I hope you all have understood subtraction of 4-digit numbers. So now this is your homework time. Now this is your homework. You have to solve these 5 subtractions. Okay, so thank you and God bless you.